today's video, I'm going to show you how to make an image take up half of the page on your Weebly website, and we'll keep it quick and simple. Whether you want a clean split layout with text on one side and an image on the other, or you just want a bold visual section, this method will help you set it up in minutes. Start by logging into your Weebly account and heading straight to your main dashboard. Once you're inside, click on the website tab at the top. Then select Edit Site to open the builder. This is where you'll control everything on your page. Now, look to the left sidebar, your toolbox for adding content. Choose Image, and you'll notice Weebly offers preset image layouts, including designs that automatically take up half the page. Select the layout that fits your design style and drop it onto your page. Once your image is placed, click directly on it. You will see a sizes option appear. Open it and you can adjust the width so the image sits perfectly across half the page. You can fine-tune the look until it matches exactly what you want. Balanced, clean, and aligned with your text or other content. After your layout looks right, click Done to save the adjustments inside the editor and then hit Publish so the changes go live on your website. This ensures visitors will see the updated half-page image layout exactly as you designed it. And that's it! A fast and easy way to place an image across half the page in Weebly. It's a small change that can completely upgrade your site's visual appeal. Happy editing!